The secret ingredient that she doesn't have, what we have in Hawaii, is we make our own flour.
Okay.
Can he eat that flour?
So I have to use everything old school. My hands, I mix my hands. Look, see? You don't have electricity.
Hey, sorry for interrupting your video. Did you know you could win this car or $10,000 cash? Go to scu.tv. So make sure you enter to win the Healthcare Heroes sweepstakes. Did you do it yet? I'm waiting. Don't make me do some more donuts. All right, back to the show.
So what we're going to do is we're going to have Chef Hawaiian Michael do his bread, and Rhonda is going to do her bread. And we're going to watch them while they're cooking. Then we'll bake the bread, and we're all gonna get a taste of 2 breads, and we'll see which one's better. You guys are gonna be the judge. All right. Okay?
Oh, I'm feeling confident. I know I got this one in the bag. Easy, easy peasy.
There's no battle. This is Hawaiian banana bread. I'm from Hawaii. I don't know where the Holly girl is from. What, Indiana? They don't even have bananas in Indiana.
The secret is the cream cheese filling. Nobody knows it's going to be in there. So it's going to be a big, big surprise. The ladies love him. If he wins, that's the only way it's going to happen. Dottie's sitting down there right now going, look at that hunk, look at that hunk. And I'm like, I don't even have a chance. We haven't even started yet, and already.
If she pays all of the guests, if she gives them the money, then she could win. But I don't know, because she seems shady sometimes, too.
I'm going to have to pull out something really special on this one, I think.
Let's get ready to rumble!
All right, chefs, go ahead. Start your preparing your batter. You think that makes a difference? Who has more ingredients? Will that make a difference?
I don't know, that guy looks pretty good.
Yeah? Okay.
We'll win.
I think he'll win.
You think he'll win?
Yeah.
Michael? Okay.
Over here, there's some brown stuff and some eggs. What is that, brown sugar?
White sugar, brown sugar, and an egg.
Okay.
No, don't touch this. This is the Hawaiian way I make the bread.
Don't touch his stuff.
No, for what I can see, this is going to be extremely competitive.
The secret ingredient that she doesn't have, what we have in Hawaii, is we make our own flour.
What was that again? I didn't hear you. I said I've never heard anybody be so full of themselves ever.
Bro, you know,
ridiculous.
But all I gotta say though, Rhonda, he's got some Hawaiian accent. I never heard of it, but I mean,
is that going to make his bread taste any better?
I don't know. I mean,
I don't think so.
You know, we shall see.
I put some butter in here.
Oh, and that looks
some
good.
Irish butter.
Irish butter.
And I don't have an Irish accent.
Oh, I see that.
Let's show the people so far. Oh.
See, you know, in Hawaii, we don't have electricity. See, she got electricity. In our grass shack where I grew up, we don't have electricity. So I have to use everything old school. My hands, I mix my hands. Look, see? We don't have electricity.
Who do you think is going to win this challenge?
My honey over there.
Okay. Why do you think he's going to win?
Because he looks so innocent, and look how nice he's working.
Okay.
He knows what he's picking out, and he knows how he's turning it.
Right.
So he's not stupid. He's very nice and intelligent.
Oh, you said my competition is stupid.
I believe that's what she said.
Okay, I have no comment on that one. Who do you think is going to be the winner in this competition for the banana bread?
The Hawaiian do.
Michael?
Yeah,
Why?
because he got it all proportioned out.
Okay, all right. Who do you think is going to be our winner?
Well, I think really you should be quiet and let them work.
Donna, who do you think will win this competition?
The lady.
Okay, so why is that?
She seems so at ease.
She seems at ease?
Yeah, well, she's making now. He's real serious.
Who do you think is going to be taking this competition up for a win?
I say the guy,
And why is that?
because across the nation, men are the best chefs. I'll give you an answer, whether it's
Okay, I
right,
see that.
whether wrong.
Who do you think will win this competition?
Right
Rhonda?
over there.
Rhonda?
Rhonda!
All right.
What do you mean, what do I think?
Is she, because she's the best? You think?
She's the best.
Okay, all right, that's what I'm talking about. What else did you put in there?
Right now I'm getting ready to put some sour cream in.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. A little cinnamon in there, nutmeg, some vanilla.
Wow, that looks amazing. It smells amazing.
A lot of secret ingredients, but the thing that makes this Hawaiian bread the best is my secret ingredient. And you know what it is? It's love and aloha from Hawaii. That's what it is, right there.
Looking really
I don't know
good.
where this little Holly girl's from, like Indiana or something, but this is Hawaiian banana bread.
Oh, wow.
I have a little trouble with the parchment paper sometimes.
That's okay.
All done.
Woo, easy. Good thing we weren't on a timer.
Amazing.
I beat her already. You heard her, huh? She go, he beat me. That's right.
And what is that? That looks really
This
good.
is cream cheese.
Oh
My
goodness.
secret ingredient.
Okay, you got flowers though. Okay.
He has, yeah,
The
he
Hawaiian
does have
flour.
the Hawaiian flour.
Okay.
And love.
And love.
And love, right.
Well, you know what?
And the brown sugar. You know, the brown sugar.
Okay, I'm out.
Hey, you know what I mean, Andre? Brown sugar, love.
Okay.
Can he eat that flour? Is that going to make his banana bread taste any better?
Taking these back and we're putting them in the oven. We will be right back as soon
Here
as
you
they're
go.
done baking.
1 hour later.
This one,
Tastes good?
That's best.
you taste it, right?
I tested it. This one's better.
That one's better?
Right here.
Tastes better?
The final count was only by a few, but the winner is... I think the cream cheese may have done it.
I think so.
The cream cheese may have done it.
It's rigged. She didn't make the original from before. This is all rigged. That's not even right.
I'm feeling very good. I mean, I can't believe what a sore loser he's being. I mean, my gosh. I won.
Yay!